So, Brianna Young here. We are doing the ocean acidification lab. Stop it. Connor's here to help me again. But I'm going to jump right in with the questions first because I know that's what's most important. So, first question was to describe the process of ocean acidification and the causes and effects of that. So, ocean acidification occurs when seawater absorbs carbon dioxide, which results in a lower pH level, which equals higher acidity. The biggest cause of ocean acidification is the emissions from burning fossil fuels, which results in more CO2. The main effect is that seawater is generally rich in calcium carbonate, which is used in the formation of shells and skeletons for ocean life. And acidic waters dissolve that calcium, leaving less minerals for shell growth and construction, and can dissolve what's already been formed, those structures like coral reef. So the second question is, am I concerned about ocean acidification? Why or why not, with specific examples? And so yes, I am concerned with this because of the ocean species and their survival, the fishing industry, and food security. So I had to do some research. So for each three of those points, for the fishing industry, according to nrdc.org, Alaska provides half of consumed seafood in the United States, and acidic waters could affect 70,000 jobs there alone. So that alone should be concerning. Second is the coral reef ecosystems, like ocean life. So NOAA, which is NOAA.gov, points out that not only can acidic seawater dissolve shells made of calcium carbonate, it can also affect the ability for coral reef construction. There is an estimated 1 million species that depend on coral reef as a habitat. And then thirdly, for food security, NOAA.gov also points out that there are more than 1 billion people worldwide that rely on seafood as their main source of protein. So if the waters are being more acidic, shellfish, oysters, that sort of thing, they're all being affected because their shells are being destroyed or they can't be farmed, essentially. So now we're going to move on. We've already got everything prepped. We have our cups, and let me scooch you back. Stuff. Can you stop? Okay, I've got them all marked. I don't know if you can see them because it's kind of dark in here. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump right in. So there's just over 1 teaspoon of the pH indicator in each of these because it was very faint purple. So I hope that doesn't affect it, but I wanted to be able to see the purple. So what should we do first? Which one? Soda. Okay, we got a Sprite here. That's this one. What color do you think it's gonna turn? Green. Okay. You want to pour in just a little tiny bit? Yeah, just one little. Let's see what color it turns. Okay, good. Ooh. Pink? Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe against the wall, that's not too bad. Pink for soda. So pink means that it's acidic. It's got some acid properties to it, okay? So that's one. We'll put that in the middle. What should we do next? The lemon thing. Okay, we got some lemon juice. Lemon juice. Okay, I'm gonna do this one because I don't want it getting to be a mess, okay? Aside. Ooh, darker pink. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, so we'll do it this way. We'll make a little chart. Go dark to light. Okay, what's next? Vinegar. Okay, vinegar. Let's see. Vinegar. You want to do this one? Okay, just like the soda bottle, just a little bit. Ooh, pink again. So what was pink?
Whole hat.
No, what does pink mean? Acid. Acid on the pH level, it's acid. Okay, so what do you think? I think this is darkest, lemon juice, and then vinegar, and then Sprite. Yeah. Let's see if you can tell. All right. What's next? Gonna do seawater, sea salt. So we made this with Morton sea salt. Let's see. And that's my cat just destroying stuff. Okay, you ready? You can do this one too. And there's another one. Get down. Go. Go.
Okay. Make a hat.
Not all of it, just a little bit. Okay. Maybe a little more. Okay. Let's see.
Hey, boo.
It is kind of blue, huh? It didn't change a lot. A little bit of purple, maybe a slight tint of blue. I'm just gonna pour it all in there, make sure we got all the salt in case it was at the bottom. I mean, compared to my other pH, just a little bit lighter, huh? Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. So that is more like a base or more neutral. Okay, cool. Do you want to do the alcohol or the cleaner or the baking soda? Baking soda. Okay. See right here. You can sprinkle some in there, just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay. No, more than that. There you go. Oop, that was a lot.
Ooh, it's turning hot.
Turning white. It's turning blue.
Ooh, boo. I know
Hmm.
how mine had hot hair.
Like Minecraft water. All right, so this one's here. Okay. Now, alcohol or cleaner? Cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna do this one because I don't want you touching it, okay?
Ah.
So this is 409 and it says that it has ammonium chloride in it. So I hope that works for ammonium. I couldn't find any of my other cleaners that contained it. I just happened to buy the ammonium free Windex. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. Okay, 409. Ooh, what color is that?
Green.
Green. Oh, I don't know how to do this. There we go. Pretty obvious green color. So that's a base.
Ah.
That's what, instead of an acid, it's a base. Okay. All we got left is rubbing alcohol. I didn't know if this would actually work, but we're gonna give it a try. You want to do it? Okay. You got to be careful because there's just that little hole. Okay. So put that in there. There you go. Maybe a little more. Okay. Let's see.
Hey, done blue too.
Looking blue too. A little bit darker than the seawater, huh? Okay, so that's all we had for phase 1. So let me show you what we got going on. We have, get these in order real quick. Can you stop? You weirdo. Okay, so we've got lemon juice was the most acidic, right? Okay, and then vinegar and Sprite were also acidic. We've got seawater, which turns slightly blue, but not really. And then we've got alcohol and baking soda. And then we've got the 409, which is obviously green. So pretty cool. Let's see. So now phase 2. This is gonna be our reference, okay? So acid and bases. Okay. So these, we've got the teaspoon each. This is gonna be my control. We're gonna leave that, and then we got a straw. And what we're gonna do is, remember when we breathe in air, we're breathing in oxygen. And when it comes out of our nose, when we're done with that air, it's carbon dioxide. Remember? Okay. So instead of breathing it out into the air, we're gonna breathe it through this straw. And we're gonna make bubbles by blowing in the straw. and that's going to put our carbon dioxide into the water. Okay, does that make sense? All right, do you want to try it first for a little bit? It says it could take 1 minute to 5 minutes to see it's going to change color like one of these cups. Okay, so I'll let you try it. Just make bubbles like you do with your milk. Yep. It's not doing anything, huh? I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, it's starting to change. Woo! Got some pink going on. You wanna try it? Good job. You think that's good enough? Here, let me see if this light will get brighter. Okay, not really. I don't know why it's so dark in here. We have our control, pretty purple, right? And now, look, we put all this carbon dioxide into the water. Ugh, it's hard to tell. Sorry, the light. It is pink. You can definitely, I don't know why there's like a blue tint in this room. I don't have, maybe if I turn my flashlight on real quick so you can see that I'm not. Can you hold this up for me? Let's see if that light helps a little. No, don't hold it down at the cups. Yeah. It didn't get as pink as the Sprite and the vinegar, but it's definitely pink. It's not purple anymore. So that's pretty crazy just to see. I am curious though, because science is not my strong point. I'm not meant to be a scientist, but in theory, if you have an acidic solution, that's probably not the right word either, and you add a base to it, does it neutralize? So this is why I was just like thinking, as we were talking about ocean acidification, can you fix it? Is there any way to get that acidity out of the water? Do you think if we add one of the, like the green one, the 409 into this, do you think it'll go back to purple? You don't think so? Should we try it just to see? Well, this is the one that turned it green. It was the best base. So if I have something that's acidic and I add a base to it, in theory, it should neutralize, right? But almost instantly it is green. Oh, I can't even tell. This is purple, this is green. So like, can you mix it? Yeah, mix it, but don't blow on the straw anymore. That's crazy. So obviously, is that technically neutralized, or is that too basic? Too basic? Interesting. So I wonder if there is a way. Let's see. I'm just curious now. Obviously, we're not going to go pour 409 into the ocean, but would there be a way? You think that's good enough to combat ocean acidification with some sort of neutralizing quality? The lemon juice stayed really pink still, but that was the limited count. But very interesting, don't you think? Yeah. Good job. Oh yeah. Green, purple. You're spilling it, dude. All right, I'm done. Thank you.